Chef Aniruddh. I study in 2nd A. Today I will make a dish which name is Rasbhari bread. So let's start it. For my dish you need some desiccated coconut, some bread, some powdered sugar, some cream, milk cream or malai. It should be thick. Some dry fruits like pistachio and almonds. And last thing is Ruh-afza syrup. Take a bread. Take a round cutter. You can take a old water tap. So cut it in round shape. Two round shapes like this. Don't throw the leftover bread. You can make some tasty snacks from this bread. I have already made 6 more round bread pieces. Now we need some milk cream. Then we have to add some powdered sugar according to your taste. Then add some chopped dry fruits. Then mix it well. I will take one bread piece and I will apply some cream. Then take another piece of bread and put on it. Like this, take another piece of bread and put cream on it. I have applied cream on all the pieces. Now, take first piece and dip it in Ruh-afza. Then coat it with powdered coconut. See how good this is looking. Then do same with another piece also. Now my dish is ready. Then garnish it with dry fruits. Now my dessert is ready. You can keep it in fridge and serve it chill. So I hope you like my dessert.